Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Algeria. So let's get started. So here I will just go google.com and I will directly search for top bank list in Algeria. Okay, business banks. So here we can see. So the first bank is our Bank of Algeria. Then we have the National Bank of Algeria. Then we have External Bank of Algeria and many other. So I'm going to show you how to open an account in Bank of Algeria. So I will just go to their website. You can also go. Okay. So to open a bank account here, you have to visit their nearest branch. Okay, they does not provide an online facility to open a bank account. Okay, if we scroll down, we can see the exchange rate and other things also. Okay, and here we can see here they have contact us button. So you will directly click on the find us. Okay, and you will just put your address and you will get the nearest branch. So here we can see here their branch are. So here you can just click on direction and go to their available timing. So they opens from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can just go. Okay, and you can open the bank account, a business bank account. So here we can see their contact number. You can just call also, and their business their uh, bank email and some address also. And if you want to contact socially, you can just contact them. Okay, so to open a bank account, a business bank account, you will require a minimum age of 18 years and you should have a legal identity card, a business license, and you should have a allowance from your shareholder to open the account, and you should prove your legal identity, ownership and other things. So this is how to open a bank account in Bank of Algeria. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.